In 2025, with over 17 billion mobile and IoT devices worldwide, hackers can reverse engineer apps, jailbreak iPhones, and hijack your smart home in minutes. But what if you could learn to spot and stop them? Stick around to master these skills ethically. Your devices depend on it. Check the description for our email, techcontinental5@gmail.com, to connect with a hacking expert. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more hacking tips. This targets billions of Android users. Demo extracting an API key in seconds. Let me break down how attackers decompile APKs to extract secrets or bypass authentication using APKTool for static analysis and Frida for dynamic hooking. Step 1. Decompile with APKTool. Step 2. Inspect Smalley code and manifest for hard-coded keys. Step 3. Hook runtime with Frida script to force login bypass. And there it is, sensitive API credentials exposed in seconds. This technique affects millions of Android applications worldwide. Remember, these techniques should only be used for ethical security testing and bug bounty programs, never for malicious purposes. Now that you understand Android app reverse engineering, let's move to something even more challenging. Breaking into Apple's fortress with iOS jailbreaking techniques. Now let's bypass Apple's fortress using the CheckM8 boot ROM exploit for A5A11 chips, enabling root access and tweaks via Cydia. Step 1. Run Checkra1 and tool to exploit the hardware vulnerability. Step 2. Install Cydia post-jailbreak. Step 3. Demo installing a tweak like Activator for custom gestures. Bypass Apple's fortress. Unpatchable hardware vulnerability affects millions. Ethical tip: use for testing only. This unpatchable boot ROM exploit demonstrates why hardware security is crucial in mobile device protection. Now let's detail dissecting firmware from a smart bulb using Binwalk to extract file systems in Ghidra for vulnerability hunting, like buffer overflows. Step 1. Dump firmware via JTAG hardware interface. Step 2. Analyze with Binwalk to extract hidden file systems. Step 3. Hunt vulnerabilities in Ghidra. Here's a critical buffer overflow. IoT's exploding. 15 billion plus devices at risk worldwide. Turn the tables with these powerful analysis tools and protect your smart home infrastructure. You've just leveled up on mobile and IoT hacking. Use this knowledge ethically. Check description for expert guidance.